Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
RAD Cycle Products Pro Bicycle. RAD Cycle is a versatile product which allows you to position your bike any way you need and lock it in place with the simple twist of a knob. Its adjustable handlebar rod allows you to stabilize the bike's front wheel for a proper repair. Its built-in tray comes with a magnetic strip that gives you the possibility to store small accessories during reparation. CyclingDeal Mechanic Stand. CyclingDeal is a stable and durable workstation, ideal for any bike. It comes with a folding option, meaning that it can be stored when it is not used. Its design provides a great versatility, being able to hold bikes in any required position. It has a built-in multi-purpose tray with magnetic features which allows you to store plenty of accessories during reparation. SONGMICS Pro Mechanic. The durable construction is made from the premium iron construction, which means that it's sturdy and stable. It will hold bikes that weigh around 66 pounds, and it has passed the TÜV tests for safety and health requirements. Even though it has a rather large maximum weight capacity, it has been coated in plastic in order to prevent any scratches. Park Tool PCS 10. This stand by Park Tool can hold your bike secure in both vertical and horizontal positions. It can hold weighs up to 79 pounds, and you can set it at a different height. The minimum height is 39 inches and the maximum height is 57 inches. Adjusting its height is very easy with the quick release feature. When folded, the stand measures 41 inches, so it is compact enough to store. Bikehand Cycle Pro Mechanic. To more conveniently work on your bike when a tire needs to be changed, you have to adjust the derailleurs or lube the chain, you need a stand that will keep the transportation means off the ground, and the Bikehand Pro is definitely what you need. It might not look like much at first glance as it only features 2 legs, but trust us, the stability and sturdiness it